Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about how you can change your life in the next 5 seconds. Mel Robbins has taught us that we can defeat procrastination and we can overcome anxiety and fear by taking a simple 5-second technique. We're going to jump right into it. Part of what your brain is supposed to do for you as a service to you is to keep you safe. So when you think of doing something that is outside of the norm for yourself, your brain automatically starts mustering reasons why you should not, why you should be afraid, why you should be anxious, why you shouldn't even move because, hey, you're comfortable right where you're at. And if you're comfortable, why would you even move? We've all had that feeling of you're sitting on the couch, you know you should take care of something. You know there's a chore, a job, or something that you should be doing to better yourself and better your conditions in life. But man, that couch is comfortable, isn't it? So what do you do in that situation? Mel Robbins teaches us to take 5 seconds to literally count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then leap into what you are supposed to be doing. Jump off the couch, leap out of bed, and get started on what it is that you're supposed to be doing. Now, why does this work? This works because the act of counting backwards from 5, it takes you out of that instinctive brain that wants you to be comfortable and safe. It starts you thinking with your frontal lobe here where you have to count. And that counting, that engaging the front part of your brain, that higher intellect of yours, by engaging it, you are now operating from the same part of your brain that tells you that you need to be bettering yourself, the same part of your brain that tells you you need to work out, that tells you you need to mow the lawn, that tells you you need to be developing streams of passive income. When you get out of that instinctive brain that just wants you to be comfortable and safe and don't rock the boat, and getting into that frontal brain that wants you to be successful, you have the opportunity to engage your entire body, mind, and spirit into the task that you're supposed to be doing. The next time that alarm goes off and you feel like hitting the snooze button, count backwards from 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then leap out of bed and get started with what you know you should be doing. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you.